Hi, this is my GoPro Max camera and my phone. Let's see how to make a live video with GoPro outdoor, when you're outdoor. First, turn on your GoPro. Then go to Chrome browser and type here YouTube.com. This is YouTube Studio. Press continue. And this is my channel. Now here you must enlarge your screen and click here . You can see your title, category, privacy, public, monetization on. You can change these settings. Go to edit. And you can change these settings here. Title, monetization, cancel. Here you can see this is a stream URL, and this is your stream key for your channel. Click here, copy, and that's it in YouTube Studio Live Room. Now go on your phone to application GoPro Quick. You can download it from Play Store. This is Android phone. GoPro Quick. Click. Go to here, GoPro. And now is connecting GoPro with my phone. Success. How create now live? Go to these three dots. And here you have live stream. Click here. This is live stream for a tutorial for outdoor live stream. And now when you don't have Wi-Fi connection, you must turn on. You can see connected to your GoPro. You must you have to turn on mobile hotspot. Click, and you must turn off Wi-Fi. turn off. Now when you're outdoor, your live stream goes over the mobile hotspot on your phone. Type here add RTMP. Now phone search for your hotspot, connect to Galaxy this one, okay. Success, Galaxy, my phone. This is RTMP URL. We saw this URL in YouTube Studio, and we copied the stream key from YouTube Studio, and this is now here. You must paste stream key we copied. This is a resolution. If you want to save it to your live stream to your SD card, you can turn on here and click here to continue. You can see now all settings are okay. You can see here on GoPro ready, live, and click here on the phone, go live, and you will see here live on GoPro. Click. You can see GoPro. Click. Live. On the phone, you can see live. Stream health. Kilobits per second. Good connection. Good connection is about 3 to 5 thousand kilobits per second. And when you go now to your YouTube channel, you will see that you have live stream. Thank you. Bye. Turn off live stream. Done. And turn off my GoPro camera. Power off your GoPro. Okay.